Alright, we got a side garden going on here. It's going to be an overview of our garden, so we'll start down here. See what's going on here. So we did this whole wall. These green leaves going out of control is pumpkins. A lot of flowers. I don't know what the white stuff is. Hopefully that's not some kind of disease. It's another pumpkin up top there. And we planted a tomato tree over there. We planted some seeds in this wall and nothing sprouted over here yet, just the pumpkins. I ran that sprinkler line over there. Planted this couple papaya trees. Gonna try and find out which one's female, get the fruit. And then these guys, got a few of these green things popping up. These are Okinawa sweet potatoes. So trying to keep dirt on them and kind of build up this mound so they'll grow under there. And then another papaya tree is there. Yeah, so we're just working on this. This is our ground garden. And we'll come over here to the other side, through here and around the other house, and we'll go look at the rest of the gardens. Here's the side yard. All toys and everything, and skateboards. So I planted some banana trees, one there, and then this is getting into our aquaponics setup. So for the aquaponics, we have the grow bed on top, and we got the tomatoes on the back row, 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatoes. And then this is my helper here next to me. But we got some lettuce up front, and I replanted some celery. Another lettuce. Planted a beet, maybe that'll work. And this is a couple more tomato suckers that we're trying to grow. These tomatoes are maybe too big to grow in here, but we're just trying them out. Down here we got the fish tank. They're in the corner right now. Some gold and white and black koi fish, about 4 inches, 5 inches. That water pumps up here, shoots the water down, and then into this circular siphon. Circles the water around fish waste down, and then drops out over here. We have another hose pumping off the side that goes up to the top of this, and then it goes back and forth, and then returns back under there. So that's the NFT setup. It's working okay. It's pretty much just for lettuce. A couple different kind of lettuces we started. That's the aquaponics setup. Over here we have our hydroponics. So they're right next to each other, but this is a different system. This is a sump tank with all the nutrients, and it's got a pump in there. It's got some low water, but it also has a air filter, or a air pump, air stone. And this black hose runs up and does feeder lines into each one of these 10 tomato plants. 5.5 gallon buckets, paint strainer bags, and inside we're using perlite. These first 4 tomato plants were bought from the store as seedlings or sprouts, and then these other 6 are planted from seed. So they planted from seed, and we had them over there in the NFT and then moved them. And they all get this feeder line right here, goes in off the main line, and then they all come over here, and then they all feed back into that main 2-inch PVC tube that goes back into the sump tank. So that's it so far. so hopefully this works well. We're using master blend nutrients in there, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, kind of got three different, the ground garden, we got the aquaponics, and then we got the hydroponics. So just kind of playing with stuff. So that's all for now.